Hi, good morning, everybody. Today I am going to talk about Ashok Leyland, which is looking very attractive from these current levels of 123 rupees with a target of 145 rupees. First of all, we all know that Ashok Leyland is number 2 player on the MHCV as well as the LCV side. In the MHCV industry, it commands market share close to about 27 to 28%, while on the LCV business front, it has gained market share by about 300 bips on a YY basis by the end of Q4 to about 21%, from 18% by the end of FY20. And now going forward, we know that the LCV business has been flourishing since lockdown itself, and because of the last mile transportation business related with e-commerce and grocery and all the FMCG goods which were required to be transported. So based on that, the LCV business as well as the LCV industry has flourished very much in the lockdown. It has bucked the trend. On the MHCV side, we know that the lockdown was not a very good period for them, and we saw very steep declines at that time. But now, after the lockdown opened, and since Q3 of FY21, we have started seeing some green shoots in the MHCV industry, and Ashok Leyland has also gained quite a good market share over there, despite doling out a lot of discounts. And on the haulage side as well as the MAV side, the business is gaining quite a good momentum. We know that the construction activities as well as the infrastructure activities have picked up a good pace in this period post the lockdown, and just before the second wave came. So during the months between November till March, the MHCV industry has flourished. Now, after the second wave has subsided in the month of June, after 2 months of April and May, we have seen a good pickup again, because we have seen how fairly good numbers were posted by Ashok Leyland as well as the entire MHCV industry in the month of June. We have seen strong bounce back, and going forward, we think that with expected good monsoon in the later half of the monsoon season, as well as pickup gaining in the infrastructure as well as construction activities, mining also, as well as the agricultural produce transportation, we think that MHCV business is going to flourish going forward, especially in the second half of FY22. Based on these, as well as the LCV business flourishing, we know that I spoke about LCVs earlier, but I want to stress on it once again. In Q4 especially, the margins of the company zoomed up by about 300 bips to 7.6% on a YY basis, and that's because of the product mix tilting towards the LCV side. As I said earlier, the company has gained market share on the LCV front, and it has done a very good launch of Bada Dost in Q3, when it sold about 2,500 units, and in Q4 it grew by about 80 odd percent to 4,550 units in Q4, which they sold. Also, they have got a very good portfolio of Dost, Bada Dost, Partner, Mitra, Guru, all these vehicles on the LCV front. So expecting that this business is going to flourish in line with the industry, or higher than the industry rather. The company is also expecting good defense orders, which would be helping their margins to grow. Also on the exports front, they are expanding in several African countries, Latin American countries, as well as Asian, South Asian countries, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Middle East, etc. Over there, they are expecting good business to flow in. So, on the margin front also, we are expecting, despite, I need to mention that despite the RM costs moving up, the company is doing a very good cost control, and the product mix is improving towards LCVs, defense, exports. So going forward, we are expecting the margins also to expand very much. So in line with these these fundamentals, I think that Ashok Leyland is a very attractive stock at this level, despite the stock zooming up over the last 1 year, almost doubling up. Still, I think that at these levels the stock looks quite attractive. The valuation basis is also looking not that expensive. I think that one can have MHCV, pure MHCV stock in their portfolio. Yes, Tata Motors is also MHCV player. It's a leader, but it has got JLR business as well and multiple levers which drive the stock. So Ashok Leyland is a pure play MHCV LCV commercial vehicle player, which is having its presence also in the exports, defense, aftermarkets business as well. So the risk is quite spread out, and the margin profile is also expected to do well. So not only on the volume front but margin front as well, we expect the stock to perform well. And therefore, with a target of 145, we would recommend Ashok Leyland with a high conviction. Thank you.